the Sail International Circuit. Sprint King in Qatar in 2024, the perfect way. Red flags cleared at the front. And we are racing here in Doha. Back down out of a fight through Binder. Into Christ, up in a second.
Straight onto the back of Jorge Martin. It's into the lead. Martin now back through into second place up the inside of Binder. Costa does now make the move on Marc Marquez.
Paco Bagnaia takes the third win. Welcome back to Portimao. He wins the Tito sprint here. Lights out and we are racing in MotoGP here. Bagnaia will get back on through.
The rookie passes the 8 times world champion.
Oh, this is
Pedro Acosta. He's catching the reigning world champion.
And I cross a blackbird, riding with a diligence. Kid more than death if you boys really rhythm.
Top 11.
Let's now squid up, hold up.
Him in the air. He's going to win the Portuguese Grand Prix. He is the world championship leader. Here's Maverick Vinales. What a super Saturday it's been in Austin. It is showtime at the Horsepower Rodeo. Acosta had a sensational start in the middle of the Vinales gets properly guarded by Bagnaia. He's back to the captain teammate Bastianini. The front, Martin's not going to make that work. On the combat will come Pedro Acosta.
I only wanted to be part of something. I only wanted to be part of. I only wanted to be part of something.
Marquez now through. I guess will still believe he can win this race. He's actually overtaken the reigning world champion. As here comes Pedro Acosta, he wants to lead the Grand Prix back.
Just to watch me play. Game up though I am who you want.
Marquez hits the front for the first time. Oh, Marquez has gone down. Vinales does quite a safe passage through on Jorge Martin, the final corner. Goes 4 seconds on the inside of Bagnaia.
Vinales takes the lead.
It's unbeatable. On the red paint on the outside. Never said magic Maverick Vinales. He completes the treble in Texas.
This is the Spanish Grand Prix.
Jorge Martin has already taken the checker flag. MotoGP here in Spain. The start of proposition. Jorge Martin moves up on the inside of Marco Bezzecchi. Far back goes Paco. How can he get that stop? He's got the inside line though through. Oh, Paco Bagnaia. He leads at the end of it.
Gets it on the ball. Jorge Martin.
Sideways goes Bagnaia. Here comes Bezzecchi on the inside of Marquez. Jorge Martin crashes out. This is the moment, here it comes. Marquez leads the Spanish crowd. They will go through turn 10 all over again. Comes Marquez though, and once again, Paco Bagnaia reigns in Spain. He does complete the Jerez hat-trick. Super Saturdays for Jorge Martin. The atmosphere has hit fever pitch in France. MotoGP here in front. Paco Bagnaia, that's Alexis Fargo coming around the outside. Vinales goes in really hot. Bagnaia now back at the front. Move on the inside of Vinales, going to back up the message here. Oh, he's made that mistake in the Grand Prix. Oh, now Mercedes gone down again. Marco's got through on Vinales. Over the rear tyre of the Gian Antonio. This time around, Marc Marquez does not wait to the Dunlop chicane, although can.
And Martin comes through. Bagnaia will get him on the comeback. Marc Marquez from 13th on the grid.
Martin goes into the lead then for the first time. There, and now Marquez waiting to pick up the pieces. On the inside of Paco Bagnaia by Marquez, he takes second place. Magic from Jorge Martin. Welcome to round 6.
8 different leaders in that Tito sprint, but Alexis Fargo was the last man standing.
I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
It is lights out, and we are racing in MotoGP here. Bagnaia leads in from Acosta. Comes Martin, picking up Binder into turn 10. Martin though, on the inside. Going for it, he's got the inside line. Here he goes, into turn 5 with hopes here. Bagnaia on Alexis Fargo. What a ride. Back for Paco Bagnaia here in Barcelona. Is the Brembo Grand Prix of Italy. The MUGELLO is the home hero. Paco Bagnaia. Rock and roll all night. And we are racing in the Italian Grand Prix. On the inside, Martin waits for the first corner. Bagnaia comes the inside.
Bagnaia in 2 corners on Marquez, as he really does.
Marquez on the podium place for the third time. Bastianini is going to try and sustain it. Down in the Scarpuri.
Here in this final sector.
Hitting with Bastianini. He gets through in the second place on Martin. It is another MUGELLO masterpiece for world champion Paco Bagnaia, who makes it back-to-back sprint wins.
Stop Bagnaia.
Green flag clears at the back. Lights out, and we are racing in MotoGP here. Second pole, huge crash for Alex Rins. From the inside, Marquez, and he flings the factory view on the inside of Maverick Vinales. And the beast on the podium, reigning world champion. This more dominance for Paco Bagnaia as he wins the GP World Championship, coming from the spectacular Saxon Red. Martin reigns supreme in the sprint. Bagnaia, the reigning world champion. It is lights out in the Saxon Red.
Sound of your heart pounds in your head.
There are touchdowns around the
If your head
outside
starts to
with
shake and the
Martin.
sweat on your face and you're tasting adrenaline. When the world that's around you is crashing down on you,
Bagnaia goes for it. He makes the move through on Jorge Martin.
Best is the best you can run in the If you're in danger and your ship drifts on your anchor, told you I'd save you. There's no need to be afraid, so no this race.
Oh! That's his favourite move. That is his favourite. Championship lead. Kes brothers are going to be on the podium. Marc Marquez now in second place. Paco Bagnaia take a bow. 75-year anniversary celebration. Bastianini wins the Tissot sprint here at Silverstone. Lights out, and we are racing in MotoGP here. Not front row by the world champion. There was contact there on Alexis Fargo. That's Bastianini, he's got it really hot. Martin then takes the lead.
Team goes wide though, got the inside line.
Martin has blinked and made a mistake. At Silverstone, it actually needed one of the performance by the Italian first as a double in the MotoGP World Championship. KTM's home Grand Prix, but Spielberg feels Pecco Bagnaia steals the headlines once again in Spielberg. Another classic Spielberg battle. Lights out, we are racing in MotoGP here in Austria. Marquez going wrong the wrong way. He tangled with Frankie Walden. Marquez from 3rd to 13th.
Get the front Bagnaia wants it straight away. Bagnaia takes the lead in the Austrian Grand Prix.
Martin attack. Running a little bit wide. Bagnaia has hooked the inside line. And in the chicane. Marquez, he's getting pretty close to Marco Bezzecchi. Here goes Marquez trying to use the element of surprise on the inside of Binder. It is more glory in Spielberg, more glory in the Red Bull Ring for Pecco Bagnaia. Welcome to the Motorland Aragon circuit. Marquez, very first time, takes his first sprint success. Who will be the Motorland Maestro of 2024? We are racing in MotoGP here in Aragon. Marc Marquez leads his home Grand Prix in Motorland. That guy was dropped back down to 7th place. Side by side we go. Oh, they both knee on each other, they're both off. Martin then using some of that 300 horsepower underneath. Cost is being picked up here. Well, he's been picked up by Alex Marquez. Nor that he briefly drew on the run down to the first corner. Lost the swings back on through. MotoGP World Championship. Nearly 3 years, 1,043 days since Marc Marquez was last victorious. One of the greatest comebacks in Grand Prix history. It's win number 86, and none will feel quite as good as this. Marc is back. The World Championship is about to unfold here in the Red Bull Grand Prix of San Marino.
It's a statement win from Jorge Martin. Martin upsets Bagnaia in the Misano Sprint.
First flag-to-flag Grand Prix of this season. It's lights out and we are racing in MotoGP here in Misano.
Martin straight through.
Pecco Bagnaia, the world champion, in position A. James Martin, oh, that's so close. To find a way to
it's Pedro Acosta.
you make me feel invincible.
So what's a bit more of a day till he goes there?
Invincible. I feel it. Invincible. Martin's putting his hand up. I think they're just letting their teams know here they're coming in. So Martin has rolled the dice then. He has come in the pit lane. Jorge Martin, the world championship leader, is the only rider who has decided he's seen enough. Too risky, too dangerous. Marquez is going through on the inside. He just made that look so easy. Marquez it is that leads here in Misano. Martin, this is the second time then he has come into the pit lane. And he repeats it here in Misano. Marc Marquez is your Grand Prix winner here in San Marino. He does win back-to-back races in the podium class for the first time in 3 years. Welcome back to Italy's Adriatic. Success in San Marino for Pecco Bagnaia. He takes the checker flag. And once again, Jorge Martin has made the perfect launch away. The hot row around the outside, though, will go Bagnaia. Here comes Martin on the brakes into turn 4. He's going to run in that little bit hot and bang. Again, Bagnaia parked inside late, and now Martin then has hit the front. Oh, Bagnaia's come down! Pecco Bagnaia! Now Bagnaia 2017 on the brakes into turn 8. Martin versus Bastianini. Bastianini, now that is really close. He runs Martin, now Bastianini. The beast wins here. Jorge Martin's crashed out. Pecco Bagnaia take the checkered flag first. It's White Sour racing in MotoGP here in Indonesia.
There's a move slightly coming from Marc Marquez on Pecco Bagnaia. San Antonio may well get himself involved. These are the 3 riders next year that are going to be on 2025 Spec Ducatis. And San Antonio,
Marquez has got a problem. It's too much, the pace too hot.
Bagnaia is gifted 4th place by Marco Bezzecchi.
Sweeps on through on the run to turn 10. It is Jorge Martin with a masterclass. He is the master of Mandalika. Here at the Nobility Resort Motegi, the Motul Grand Prix of Japan. And Pecco Bagnaia is going to take a priceless sprint victory here in Motegi. Lights out, and we are racing in MotoGP here in Japan.
By 93 at turn 3, he's already up into the top 6. Martin hasn't made the same progress.
Martin launching away on the inside of Marc Marquez into turn 10. He's got the inside line of Bastianini as well there. Martin in a Marquez.
That's Miller actually now coming through on Marc Marquez. Jack Miller came from
Marquez working his way back through on the fast start of Miller. That's lovely on that chain direction. Setting it going through the fourth. Oh, Acosta! I thought I had in my headset. Pecco Bagnaia, he's finally back in the 145s, but still once again just takes a tenth or 2 out of Martin. It has been a Motegi, a masterclass from reigning world champion Pecco Bagnaia. No problem zone, no dramas whatsoever on Sprint Saturday as Jorge Martin in cruise control.
What's in your
It's lights out, and we are racing here in PHILLIP, huge wheel spin.
someday?
He's a shocking start, and a shocking one at the first corner. He has been 10 times worse for Marc Marquez. It's a turn 4, thankfully, for Marco Bezzecchi. Marquez then now slings it on the inside fender into turn 4 by Marquez, who lunges through on Morbidelli at the vehicle. That's all because he's got the better drive, the better corner speed. This race has come alive, folks, here in Phillip Island. Jorge Martin in 50th. What a move that was. Here comes Martin though with some instant playback. He takes up Bagnaia. Martin on here. Look at the Ducati. They go side by side through turn 5. What a showdown we have in Scotland. Jorge Martin launches it on the inside.
I've been so strong on the way into turn 4. Marquez is going to send it down the inside and forces Martin to give way.
Marc Marquez brings the thunder down under. Epic Australian Grand Prix here. Arrive with a bang in MotoGP in 2018 and Burham sprint win of 2024 for Enea Bastianini. MotoGP is now inviting title running hits Thailand for Chapter 18 in the gripping story of Jorge Martin versus Pecco Bagnaia. It's time to race in MotoGP. Lights out, we are racing in this wet Thai Grand Prix here in Thailand. And what a launch away, Qatar with a sensational start.
That was a very good start by Martin.
into turn 3, they go side by side, they rub elbows, do the top 2 riders in the World Championship. Martin's off the circuit. Martin runs one big mistake for Marquez. He loses the lead, and now he's back in 3rd place inside of Bagnaia into turn 12. You bet he is. Marc Marquez has made so many great moves here down the edge. He's going to run a little bit wide though.
Up ahead of him, Bagnaia responds with the fastest lap of the race.
To attack, he's coming for a long, long way back. He'll have the inside line. Is he going to run in hot? Bagnaia will just get him on the cutback. Bagnaia saw that coming. Marquez! Oh, he's gone down! He's tried so hard!
2 world champion against we should now call him, and he's now through the 4th.
And now he's going to start the chase at Miller, going a long, long way around, side by side on the drag brakes now to the blind entry turn 4 here in Thailand. Well, this is how much Acosta now flings it on the inside of Miller into 5.
But Costa now the inside line for turn 7. He's back on the inside.
Bagnaia wins here in Buriram. He gives it the big fist pump to his factory Ducati crew. Jorge Martin versus Pecco Bagnaia. Who will make history? It's so easy. I was just about to say, it's so easy to lose the biggest mistake of the season. Jorge Martin with Spin Magic in Malaysia. Super Saturday here. Good morning and a very warm welcome. We are at the point where Jorge Martin faces his first match point to be crowned MotoGP World Champion. Oh, it's lights out, we're racing here in SEPANG in MotoGP. Big crash further back.
Flag due to a crash at turn 2.
Bagnaia and Martin have got to take 2 in the rematch. Martin, how aggressive now? I really see very often. He has a big shake.
Here comes Martin once again on the inside. He's going to try and work his pace. The best way to counter that is to get ahead of him.
First lap with Bagnaia was taken twice. Martin, here we go, what a battle it is between the title contenders. Back into turn 1. This in MotoGP. Martin and Bagnaia go side by side.
Now back on the inside of Jorge Martin again. The lead continues.
Martin for a long, long way back. Is he going to get his stop? No, Bagnaia.
Martin up again.
Bagnaia showed Martin his flavour of elbows once again.
A slower run out of that final corner. Martin's thinking if we keep putting moves on, just maybe.
Bagnaia then keeps the rematch undecided at the season finale. Final showdown after the 3rd year of succession. The title will be decided at the last round. Jorge Martin will be our 2024 MotoGP World Champion if he outscores Bagnaia by more than 2 points in this sprint. The rematch rolls on. He is still alive. He is still in the game. Championship will be decided then in the final race of the season. 24 laps away from being crowned the MotoGP World Champion. Lights out, and we are racing in the final showdown of the season. Goes World Champion Jorge Martin. He's going to be second on that run down the first corner. 24 laps stands between Martin and success. 93, Marc Marquez moves up into 2nd place. He's going to run a little bit wide. That gives the inside line. 140 sideline once again on an air Bastianini, corner by corner, lap by lap. Wins the Grand Prix of Barcelona, but Jorge Martin is the 2024 MotoGP